How to use NoPHOS phosphate remover. In this video, we will use the example of Leslie's NoPHOS phosphate remover. Leslie's NoPHOS removes phosphates from your water, giving you crystal clear water without leaving waterline rings or producing strange odors. When added to your skimmer, a thin coating of NoPHOS forms on the filter media. As pool water flows through the filter, phosphates are reduced to very low levels. All other phosphate products will cloud pool water. This extra strength formula is 20% stronger than traditional phos-free. Routine usage directions. Step 1. Apply 1 quart of phosphate remover per 10,000 gallons of pool water directly to water around the edges of the pool. Step 2. Allow the pump and filter to run continuously for 24 to 48 hours. After 48 hours, backwash and rinse the filter according to the manufacturer's instructions. Useful tips. In a private swimming pool, NoPHOS is used prophylactically and is added to the pool manually once per week. The dosage used is 1 milliliter of undiluted NoPHOS per m3 of pool volume per week. We recommend it is added into the skimmer or to the overflow channel. Thank you. I hope that information helps. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more relevant tips about your pool and spa. Bye.